Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two drones that are perfect for beginners and those looking for a compact and portable option. In the red corner, we have the Mini Drone, and in the blue corner, we have the DJI Mini 2 SE. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Mini Drone comes in at an affordable $69, making it a great choice for those on a budget. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE is priced at $339, offering more advanced features at a higher cost. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the Mini Drone takes the win in this category. When it comes to the camera, both drones offer impressive capabilities. The Mini Drone features a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera that can be adjusted manually up to 90 degrees. It allows you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos, which can be easily shared on social media. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE takes it a step further with its advanced imaging capabilities. It offers easy-to-use shooting templates through the DJI Fly app, allowing the drone to automatically fly, record, and generate professional-level videos. With its 10 km max transmission range, you can capture breathtaking footage from a distance. In terms of camera performance, the DJI Mini 2 SE takes the lead. Flight time is an essential factor to consider when choosing a drone. The Mini Drone comes with two rechargeable batteries that offer a total flight time of 18 to 21 minutes. While this is decent for its price range, the DJI Mini 2 SE takes flight time to the next level. With a max flight time of 31 minutes and the option to purchase additional batteries for a total flight time of up to 93 minutes, you can explore and capture more with the DJI Mini 2 SE. Portability is crucial, especially if you plan to take your drone on adventures. The Mini Drone is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around. It's perfect for kids and beginners who want to have fun while capturing aerial footage. However, the DJI Mini 2 SE takes portability to a whole new level. Weighing less than 249 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and can fit in your pocket. Whether you're going on hikes, road trips, or any outdoor adventure, the DJI Mini 2 SE is the perfect companion. In terms of portability, the DJI Mini 2 SE wins this round. The Mini Drone is praised for being a great choice for beginners, easy to set up and enjoyable to use. It is also loved by kids and provides a good camera option. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE is highly recommended for its advanced features, smooth flying, good battery life, and excellent picture and video quality. It is considered a major upgrade from other brands. And there you have it, our comparison of the Mini Drone and the DJI Mini 2 SE. Both drones offer unique features and cater to different needs. If you're on a budget and looking for a beginner-friendly option, the Mini Drone is a great choice. However, if you're willing to invest in advanced imaging capabilities, extended flight time, and exceptional portability, the DJI Mini 2 SE is the clear winner. Remember, it's essential to consider your specific needs and budget before making a purchase. We hope this comparison helped you make a smart buying decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.